Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Yeah. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Magesi 2. I'm joined by Mbuso.
Yeah, I always Tibo.
Favorite member?
We.
Who favor?
I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Kaizer Chiefs?
Yes.
What did you think about today's game?
Today's game, I thought Sundowns was gonna win the game.
Yes.
They played a beautiful football.
Yeah.
And I think Magesi had 2 shots on target.
2 goals.
2 goals.
Yes.
And then Sundowns had maybe 10 or how many shots, but they missed
many chances.
Yes. Yes, Tibo. And then Maban. Kutula rumor man Tibo man.
Rumor ring.
We ke tsamaya ka bona mimosa mall ke feta ka bona bisa Sundowns ba ga bafana ba Magesi ba lahlile aba fumane
okay
Sundowns lo ba sheba go thwa bana ba le mona sendis ba Tibo
yeah
and then a ke tsoa ke fitla game na man ka bona bafana ke ba bafana bantu
ba
Magesi ke ga ba shore ke ntho tsa bona tsa maobane ba dinwile
Magesi le bishaya
ba shojwa
ne bana ka bafana ba
ka mona ka Small Street Clubhouse
Magesi ka fela ne le mo Small Street mo
ba shojwa lo Tibo
ne ba no fucked up
ke sure ba re a dutse di crate cheapes tsa Black Label ntho e winning vandag
so ke yone ntho e mo yes ntho o tsukhile yo
wow good
kopa man of the match chaka
for the man of the match but Tuso Ubas. That boy deserves flowers, Tibo.
Yes.
He's not praised enough.
Oh,
good to begin.
Thank you, member.
Yeah, thank you.